Green Island, I think it's a county park. Big water today. What does she mean by big water? I mean windy. Love it. All right, here we go. A little bit chilly. The trees are budding on the way here, so next time I will drive out here, I will show you the new growth. It's so funny, it just happens. Boom, all the trees just bloom, right? I love those pictures where they have the photo set up when a leaf or it buds out. Time-lapse photos, I love it. Okay, there's the bridge we crossed. Portage Beach. Look at these little birdies. Very, very pretty. A little chilly out here today. Just so many beautifully broken shells. This beach is so incredible, right? Just the sheer amount of broken shells that a lot lower than it was the other day when I was here. See bricks on the beach, I always imagine what their former life was. Yes, it's windy. Turn your volume down. Feel that cool breeze blowing away any negativity, neutralizing energy. This video comes with a healing to raise your frequency and to remember that in every now moment you have choice. It's never about living for the future, it's always about right now. How do I choose to feel right now? Hold on to a feeling you want, not necessarily a place, a person, but what feeling do you want? I always love this beach on it. I used to pretend it's like white sand, you know, but really it's shells. Isn't that beautiful? Sometimes we get caught up in a tiny little world, usually of other people's machinations, and then we don't go out and enjoy these beautiful things. Or, you know, I mean, go to the park. Hey, is this guy might be alive. Let's see. Oh, he is. Isn't that so sweet? Precious. Okay, he'll be going back out with high water. And what's this one here? Interesting critters. Anyway, as I was saying, you know, go do something. You know, read, study, watch a movie, do it. You know, do something that's all about you. We can get caught up in other people's versions of reality, and it becomes our reality. I did it for well over a decade. Oh my goodness, it's a little bit chilly. So you see, the other day, my video got deleted, so never mind. This is Green Island. Oh, and of course, then Port Townsend's over there. So, actually, no, that's the Port Townsend. So Port Townsend's up in there. See those madrones are so beautiful. I don't think I'm going to be staying out here too terribly long. Why, Crystal? Because it's cold. Thank you for asking. I love spending time with myself because I'm learning. It's taken me 50 years, but I'm learning to let myself be myself, with myself. Because you always have those voices in your head where you're like, oh, I gotta please this person, I gotta please that person. And they're there, whether they're in your life or not. I mean, I spent years in a car just completely by myself. Still had all those voices in my head. But it's all about perspective. Whatever you choose to do in a day, that becomes your life. I know it seems like, oh no, this is what I'm doing. No, it becomes your life because that's your frequency and that draws more to you of that. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of shells. I mean, shells formerly known as animals that were, I was going to say soldiers. Oh my gosh. Okay, they were shells. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Okay, so that is beautiful. And then we're going to go check that little spot. Doesn't that look cool? And then that's some sort of a water fort. Hey, it's my story. Probably a nest or some official something or other. I call it a water fort. What a beautiful little spot. So high water comes in and fills all that. Isn't that beautiful? Actually, this is the tree that I have pictures of my friend in. The other day I did a video, it accidentally got deleted by me, but where I seen a tree and I thought that was the one because it was curved like this. I was like, how could it be so far up in the air? But I think it's this one. And isn't it interesting how rocks get up in the roots like that? Everything's still dripping. That's interesting, right? When the water went down, there was some sort of a board up there, and it'll be jostled loose next time in high water, probably. If the water gets that high. Looks like it does. Look at this sparkle. And then there's the bridge that we cross. We're now on the other side of it. All right. It's Sunday, March 21st, 2021. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you all.